Good day everyone. We're here at Atlas Restaurant here in Damam. So andito kami ngayon para i-celebrate ang Easter Sunday. Late dinner na po ito. And we're making our order and here it is. Wow, this is Mixed Atlas, mixed grilled po siya. And with kubos. We order also avocado juice and ready to rumble na po kasi gutom na po kami. Ayan po, let's eat na me, gutom na. Sarap ng avocado shake nila, pure na pure. So ayan, Mommy's turn. Wow. Parang nag-enjoy ka yata sa pagbe-break ng bread Ayan po. Kain na me. Alam kong gutom ka na, galing ka pa sa duty. So, dig in. Enjoy the food.